What's up, good people? It's Larry Jones. I'm back. This crazy market, it's crazy. So, I posted this video literally about 35 minutes before closing bell. I'm sorry, it was up 400 points talking about the Dow. Let's take a look at it now. As you could see, the Dow is now up 157 points. So it's actually dropping as the day goes on. You know, sometimes we have it where it pops in the morning and there's a sell-off by the end of the day, right? So as we could see, the S&P is up and the NASDAQ and the Russell, right? So as you can see, I said sometimes there's a sell-off, and what happens? It actually sold off. Now, I posted that in real time. No editing. I have the software. I shot it, went right up with it because I wanted to get it up before closing bell. If you see anybody commenting, he doesn't know what he's talking about. For those of you, the thousands of you that actually watched it before closing bell, look, we here to make money, we here to learn, and we do know that a lot of people are losing money and they're going to become negative. So what you don't want to start doing is get upset and shoot the pilot of the plane because you doing anyway. But let's see what happened to Netflix and Disney in particular, because Netflix actually had a disappointing earnings, and their new subscribership is falling. The rate of it is falling. Let me read this right quick. Shares of Netflix tumbled 19% during extended trading on Thursday, right after closing bell, after the company's fourth quarter earnings reported showed a slowdown in subscriber growth. All right. Then it talks about Peloton plummeting. I would not be in Peloton. Peloton to me was a reopening play in 2020, and there was some money to be made, but that cycle, I believe, is going to cycle down. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell a stock. I'm just Larry telling you what I would do in this situation. Okay, so let's look at what's going on here. So as you can see, look at what's happening. Let me blow this up a little bit. Look at what's happening to Netflix. See how Netflix is? It just plummeted, literally fell $100, over $100 after closing bell, right? So what is it? What does it do? What does it do rather? Subscription based, streaming on television, right? So what does it do to other companies like that? Guilt by association. It takes them down also. Look at this. So let's go to Disney. Look at what it did to Disney, right? See that, good people? It took Disney down with it. Here is Walt Disney. Here is Netflix. And actually, Disney fell down more than Netflix did. But, hey, I came up in a big family where, there were sometimes I got 6 brothers and 2 sisters. Sometimes my brothers acted up. We all got a whooping. So that's what's happening. But you got to remember that Disney is not just a streaming service. Disney own a lot of stations. Good Morning America, ABC, and all of that is owned by Disney. Disney has the parks. Disney is getting into the metaverse. And I did a June call on Disney, and now the price got even more attractive, and I bought some more. So I will tell you personally, I think Netflix is overreacting. I could see a $50 drop, but not over $100 drop. I think it's a knee-jerk overreaction, even in this market. So just like I stated before, dead cat bounce. I literally said it, and 30 minutes later, and it was up 400 points earlier today, talking about the Dow. It was up 400 points. So it fell 400 points positive. This is what happens when you're in a bear market. Okay. And I know you're probably tired of hearing a bear market, but I'm trying to save somebody some money. So the Dow was up 400%. And then Right now, after closing bell, is negative 300, not 400%, 400 points. And now it's negative 300 points, right? That's a 700 point swing. The NASDAQ, a negative 186. The S&P, negative 50. So it's one of those days. Literally, I literally said it could open up high and have a sell-off by the end of the day. So what I would do, I don't know, because it had this sell-off, I don't know what it's going to do for tomorrow, Friday. It's just not going to be a good weekend. But just like I forestated, going into a bear market, all right, we're already in a correction, right? And so boom, 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 yay, boom, boom, boom. It just keeps stair-stepping down. And so DCA, dollar cost average, the more you learn, the more you earn. We gonna keep it positive here, because for those of us that are long-term investors and we're looking 5 years out, this is an extended sale. So continue the dollar cost average, good people, and we gonna party, all right? I personally think, this is me, I personally think that the Feds went aggressive, more hawkish on their statements on purpose, and we will see why. I also think that the end of this year will be a good market. I don't think this is going to be a 16-month correction. I really don't. I think that by fall, we will be in a good market, and we will thank God that we loaded up on these stock as cheap as we did. But we're going to continue the dollar cost average in and not buy the first dip. Hey, last year when we kept having these crashes, I was like, buy the dips, buy the dips, buy the dips. Not this time, because we're going into a bear market. So whenever you get advice this entire year, I'm going to continue to tell you, consider the source. You don't want to be getting advice from a 58-year-old dude that lives in his mom's basement that has been investing for 30 days, and all he has is AMC and Shiba Inu, and that's it. That's not who you want to get advice from during this period, all right? And I'm not hating on those stocks. I have them. But if that's all you have in your portfolio, you're getting spanked right now. I am passionate about helping you guys to make money and not lose money, all right? Hey, you guys already know, look at the links, all of that below. Hey, good people, hey, we're going to ride this out, but we're going to make money in spite of. There's always money to be made in any market. And what comes behind this bear market, I believe, is a bull market. When is it coming? At the end of this year. That's what I think now, all right? Let's see what the Fed says. He's going to be talking next week. Let's see what he says. It's going to have a positive or negative reaction to the overall market. Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn. And for some of you guys, just stop looking at your portfolio. Warren Buffett said it. You don't have to be smart. You just gotta have good temperament right now. That's it. It doesn't take a genius. All you gotta do is have good temperament and be patient. Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.